Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to begin with finding About Phone, which is at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it. Now we have to enter device identifiers, just tap, and localize build number. Let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and confirm everything with your screen lock. Now we've got this information, and a quick disclaimer: if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So after the activation, we can go back to the general list of settings and then enter the system, which is right above the About Phone. So let's tap on it and then enter developer options. All we have to do right here is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system update. In my case, this option is turned off, so simply turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to update your device manually. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.